Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Motorola Moto Edge mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed to the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer around the back cover. Next, create an opening using a suction cup and then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, gently take out the back cover from the body. Next, pull out the logic board frame by undoing 12 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. And then disconnect the main connector flex. Next, remove the not working battery from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue on the battery. For this, we are using a heat gun. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a car pry tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. And once you have some space, use a pry tool or similar to lift the battery. This process may take time and be gentle. Next, place the new battery with adhesive. Next, secure the main flex plug. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, secure the board frame by adding 12 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.